See, I'm so confused. I feel like I should have brought a spinner. There we go. Oh, yes. We got something, preferably with better. Oh, there we go. Oh, something does want to eat it. Nice. There we go. There we go. There we go. That's a bite. Ooh, that's one. Oh, that's a decent one. That is a decent one right there. Attention. Okay. Let's bring them up. Oh, nice. What is up, everybody? And in today's video, I go out right before a storm and after a storm. And I mean, it was a storm. Like, there was thunder, lightning, heavy rain, but it only lasted for a few hours. So let's get into the video. Man, okay. All right. Yeah, so today's supposed to be super cloudy. It's supposed to storm like in a few hours. It's gonna storm. So winds are gonna be pretty high today. So I'm probably not gonna throw a finesse bait, but I brought 5 baits with me. But we're going to attempt to catch stuff. I got mainly moving baits. I definitely brought a topwater, and I chose the all black Chopo over the popper, and I chose it over that the bluegill colored because, in my opinion, the all black Chopo gives more of a silhouette look, so whenever the fish are looking up at it, since it's a floating bait, they see more of a silhouette. It feels great out here though. It is 69 degrees. It is humid. I'm gonna toss it out because, like I said, over here is really shallow. So you never know. They might be cruising. I don't think that they'll be cruising much because of the winds, but you just never know. But it's shallow. It's like 3 to 4 feet. Like, if I wanted to, I could walk across from my house to the red shack over to my left. So trying to get you guys some topwater blow-ups. Really, we're just being hopeful today. Maybe they might be out here. Like, it's about 6 feet right here, so hearing it and seeing it, they should be able to right here. Because realistically, 6 feet isn't really deep. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set that there. I'm going to switch up with the Chatterdonk, and let's hope we can get something to eat this guy. Oh, there's some sun right there. So hopefully they want this Chatterdonk, because I don't know. I feel like see, I'm so confused. I feel like I should have brought a spinner. There we go. Something wanted it. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh, get in there. Oh, God. That was crazy. Oh man, I'm hitting the phone and I'm hitting everything. I am not prepared for this. All right. Oh, came right out. Nice. But there we go. See, just keep at it, and you shall prevail. You will succeed. Ooh, scaring me. All right. You're a pound. Maybe a 2, guys. Maybe a 2. Let's see how accurate. I think it's a high 1. No, that says 1 ounce. Definitely not 1 ounce. High 1. Okay, nice. 112. Ooh, I gotta show you off, man. Everybody wants to see you. You are the star of the show. Here we go, 1 pounder right there. He looks nice though. So that's cool. All right, we got our fish, 1 pounder. Thanks for biting. I'm gonna throw this. This is Aldane swim bait. It's blueback herring swim bait. You know, and it's heavy. It's like a 3/8 ounce weight on it, so it should sink pretty nicely. But I like it because I can fish it on this 8.2 gear ratio, and it's not gonna keel over or anything. Yeah, it's the blueback herring color. There are no herring in this lake there, so I'm just gonna keep tossing it around. And this is the bait I really want to use today, like just because the conditions are just calling for a big swim bait. You know, like a mag draft or a coal shad, you know, or this dangerous swim bait, you know, or the I don't know, the new Bass Pro Shop swim bait. I forgot the name of it, but it's only like $8, and the rest of these swim baits are like $10 or more. You know what I mean? So, you know, and then you have the, you know, the Hangover by, you know, by Ben Milliken, which is a $20 swim bait. I mean, the Mag Draft is $15, but the Hangover, man, weighs a lot more. And I just don't have the setup for a, you know, a 2-ounce swim bait. So, you know, like I like all these other swim baits because I can fish them on a medium heavy, and I feel that everybody has a medium heavy. You know, well, most people, you know, unless they're, you know, BFS, you know, fishing, which, oh yes, we got something. Oh my God. He's not huge, but that's a fish, and he ate it. He ate the dangerous swim bait. Yes, that's what I was going for. Yes, that's awesome. No, chill out, dude. Relax. Just relax. You're in the net. You're in the net. But there we go, you guys. The dangerous swim bait. He ate it. Hooked him in that lip. Nice. Okay. It's about a pound. He's a pounder. Nice. That is awesome. Did it zero itself out? Come on. Here we go. Yep. 1 pound, 11 ounces. So that tells you guys, it doesn't, like, the little guys will still eat it. But he munched it. He hit it hard too. I mean, I know he wanted to kill that guy. But awesome. 1 pound, 11 ounces. Thanks for biting, dude. Let's get a little closer. I want to get to the tree over here because I feel safer by this tree. I mean, that cloud is passing over us, but that doesn't mean anything. You know, it's dark. Yep, I'm going in. It is officially too much for me. Okay, so we are back out here. The storm has blown over. It doesn't even look like it stormed today, but it totally stormed. It was some really hard rains. It was crazy. There was thunder, lightning, and then it passed over in like a few hours. Like, that was crazy. And I switched up some baits. I took off the chatterbait and switched it with a spinnerbait. And then I took off the square bill and switched it with a lipless. I probably won't leave the wacky rig at home for the rest of the season, probably until late fall. But we're gonna see what we can do. See how many bites I can get. I got like, what, 2 this morning? you know, like right before the storm. So let's try and top that. You know, that's the goal, is to try and top the 2 bites, preferably with better. Oh, there we go. There we go. There's a bite. Oh, my theory might be wrong. Oh man, that's a good one. That's a good one. That deserves a net. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh man, he looks good. Looks good. Nice size. Looks like a decent sized fish. What am I doing? Okay. Dude, he hit that thing. Let me put that there. Oh, is it all? It is all wrapped up. Okay, so that's all wrapped up in there. So I'm going to at least get him out and weighed. Oh, he's a pound. He's a decent one. He's a decent one, like a high one. We're gonna go with that. Let's see if I'm correct. 1 pound, 15 ounces. Yeah. So a high one. Cool. Man, that's awesome. Man, thanks for biting, dude. Oh, I didn't actually show him. Dang. Oh, something hit it and then let go of it. No way. I think it just hit the blades. Man, but I feel like ding ding. It's like it grabbed the blades and was just like, nah. Like that's not what I wanted. So let's hope. Let's hope they out here. Alright, but now I got this cotton Cordell or Cordell cotton, whatever. Forgot the name. You know, it's a rattle trap. That's all I can say, guys. It's a rattle trap. Oh, something does want to eat it. Nice. Something did. He's not big, but he ate it. Oh, okay. Scary. Scary. Oh, yeah. Oh. All right, something ate. That was quick. That was a quick one. Not gonna lie. He's little, like a pound, like a low 1 pounder right there. I show you guys the small one and I forget to show you the decent, almost 2 pounder. All right, there we go. Let's let him go. Thanks for biting. Let's rotate ourselves. See if we can catch something out this way. You know, the muckiness is behind it. Well, the tall muckiness is behind us. The low muckiness is still a player. So hopefully, you know, I feel like using a green pumpkin, I don't get as many bites as I do with a June bug. I feel like I get a lot more bites on a June bug. Ooh, that's one. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a decent one. That is a decent one right there. Yeah, keep that tension. Keep that tension. Oh, okay. Okay. Let's bring him up. Oh, nice. Yes. Nice. That's a nice fish. Nice one. I really need to invest in a rod holder. But man, this is a 3, without a doubt. Look at that guy. All right, well, I need this, not because, just because I can't fit my hand in there. Not because, I don't know what I'm saying, guys. I'm just saying I gotta do it like this. And the bait's, nothing's wrong with the bait. There, oh God. There we go. Okay, nice. That's gotta be a 3, maybe more. We'll find out. Ooh, that almost ended badly. Almost. But we'll see. We'll see. Just weigh it. Let it breathe. Let it breathe. Hopefully it doesn't shake off. But let's let it breathe. And now let's check. It's a 3. 3 pounds, 3 ounces. He's fat though. He's been eating. That's really nice. That's a nice fish right there. Thanks for biting, dude. Look at that fat belly. Let's let him go. 3 pounds, 3 ounces. Eating the wacky rig. And he's off. Awesome. There we go. Oh, rattle trap. Barely got him. That guy barely hooked. Right in the nose. Barely hooked. Small one. Small ones like the rattle trap though. That's a good one. Thanks for biting, bud. What? It broke me off. No way. How? How did it break me off? What? Well, there goes. I gotta go get me another cotton rattle trap. No way. There we go. That's a bite. He's not big. He's not big. But that's a bite. There we go, little guy. But he bit. That's all that matters. Thanks, Brian, dude. Yeah, angry. They're always so angry. There we go. That's another. Oh, he spit it. No way. There we go. That's a bite. He's shaking. He's trying to get it off. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, dude, chill. That's a good one. It's like a high 1. Oh, sorry. I know, bad angle. It's a high 1. No. Okay, 0 out. Oh, it's 2. 2 pounds, 1 ounce. Cool. Oh, I'm getting blown in. 2 pounds, 1 ounce. Nice. Thanks for biting. Okay, So since you made it this far into the video, do me a big favor, leave a comment with the words thunder so that I know who made it this far into the video. Now, that was a great day. We didn't catch a whole lot of fish, but we caught fish and we caught that 3-pounder on a wacky rig. Of all the things that I took out, a wacky rig is what caught the biggest fish. That was super cool. I was not expecting that at all, but all in all, just a great day. Even with the storm coming through, I didn't expect to even catch that many fish. But that's the video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time.